How to enable GPU scheduling on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can enable your GPU scheduling on your Windows 11. Now the steps are pretty simple. Simply head over to your start menu and from here head over to settings. Now once on settings, make sure you are on the system tab and go to display. Now once on display, scroll down below and you'll find the option graphics display just below the option advanced display. Now click on graphics, and once on graphics, on default settings you'll find the option change default graphics settings. Now since my PC doesn't have a graphics card, I don't have the option. But now if you have a graphics card on your PC, then you'll get the option hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Now you'll get the option like same as this, and you'll get the option to toggle on or toggle off. Now if you find the option hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, you just need to turn it on. Hope this helps. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.